Question: What is divide in math? Answer: The division is a method of distributing a group of things into equal parts. It is one of the 4 basic operations of arithmetic, which gives a fair result of sharing. Example: My little brother and I found 10 $1 bills on the street. In order to distribute them equally, we need to know what does 10 divided by 2 mean. One way to think about it is, how many 2s are there in 10? The answer, of course, is 5. Each of the brothers receives $5. Suppose you want to divide 10 by 2. First, draw a number line that begins at 0 and ends at 10, as in the following figure. Now, to find the answer to 10 divided by 2, just split this number line into 2 equal parts. This split, or division, occurs at 5, showing you that 10 divided by 2 equals 5. Similarly, if I have a pizza divided into 10 equal slices, and I want to distribute it among 2 people, each person gets 5 slices. Dividing a whole number by a fraction. Suppose now that what we are asked is what 10 is, divided by 1/2. When dividing a whole number by a fraction, you are finding how many groups of the fraction you can fit in the whole. One way to divide a whole number by a fraction is to convert the fraction to a decimal and divide. Remember, we need to make the divisor a whole number by moving the decimal point. Next, move the decimal point and the dividend the same number of places. The answer is 10 divided by half is 20. Example: the question is how many $half are in $10? The answer is 20. $10 equals 20 $half coins. Suppose you want to divide 10 by half. First, draw a number line that begins at 0 and ends at 10, as in the following figure. Again, ask yourself, how many halves are there in 10? For instance, how many half meters are there in 10 meters? And the answer is 20. So, dividing by a fraction means the same thing as dividing by an integer. There is an easier way to divide by a decimal. Dividing 2 fractions is the same as multiplying the first fraction by the reciprocal of the second fraction. The answer is the same. 10 divided by half is 20. Example: if a janitor requires half an hour of work to clean a classroom in our school, how many classrooms can he clean in 10 hours? 10 divided by half is 20. The answer is in 10 hours, the janitor can clean 20 classrooms.